Hi folks, today we propose to see what different varieties of dictionaries I can create. Let me show you the first one, where key can be number, string or tuple. For example, here we are using tuple as the key. 1, 5 is a tuple. Against that what is stored is ME126 as the value. 3, 2 is another key, but that's basically a tuple, and then you have a value. 5, 4 is yet another a tuple, which goes on to prove that, well, tuple can indeed be acting as a key, and these tuples naturally will have to be unique. If you repeat them, in that case what will happen? The latest value will be stored against that tuple. Can I create nested dictionaries? Well, by all means, why not? You can create a dictionary like this, wherein you can see that Anil is the key, and the value that you are storing against Anil is this entire thing. But this itself, the value itself is a dictionary containing key value, again a key value. Similarly, against Amol you are storing another value, which in itself is a dictionary containing 2 key value pairs. So nested dictionaries is something which can indeed exist. This is the third key value pair, Ravi, and value is again a dictionary. I may also create a dictionary where keys are different but values are same. Moreover, these keys, if they are present in some other container type, you can use them. For example, you may have a list containing 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and now you wish to create a dictionary where key values are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then we have a common dictionary value for them. If I am to get that done, well, that is also possible using a method present in the dict class called fromKeys. To this fromKeys, we are required to pass 2 parameters. One is the list. List contains what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they will start working as keys. So you are creating a dictionary where keys are the items that you are having within the list, and all of them are going to have the same value, 25. So 12 colon 25, 13 colon 25, 14 colon 25 and 15 25, 16 25. Those would be the 5 different key value pairs that would get stored finally in the dictionary D. So variety of ways of creating dictionaries. What you would possibly be required to use out of these most frequently are nested dictionaries. They are pretty popularly used. Goodbye, good luck, and thank you.